गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आप सभी लोगों का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में बहुत 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 स्वागत है। तो आज मैं क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ ये मेकअप लुक जो मैंने वेयर किया हुआ है। मैंने आज एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप मेकअप लुक क्रिएट किया है। सो आई होप ये ट्यूटोरियल आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल होगा।
तो ज़्यादा बातें ना करते हुए सीधे बढ़ जाते हैं वीडियो की तरफ।
First, in a clean face, we need to apply a moisturizer. Today I am using Nivea Soft Moisturizer and apply it very gently all over my face and then massage it properly. Next, for primer, I am using Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. This is a very good affordable range primer. I apply it in my open pore areas. Moving into our foundation, today I am using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 220 Natural Beige and I apply it all over my face, and using a damped beauty blender I blend it properly. I blend it in a dabbing motion and never drag it. I also apply some foundation in my neck and blend it. My lips are quite drying, so I am using Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm for hydrate my lips a little bit. Next, for concealer, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand and I apply it all over the high point of my face for a highlighting effect, and using the same beauty blender as before, I dab it and blend it. If I drag my beauty blender, it ended up looking so cakey, so never drag your beauty blender. Always use it in a dabbing motion. I am using Lakme Compact Powder, and with a powder brush I apply it all over my face to set my concealer and foundation. Moving on to our eyebrows, I am using NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso, and by using the spoolie side I simply comb my eyebrow hair. By the pencil side I draw a good structure to my eyebrows and I apply it by giving small strokes. I draw small little hair strokes in the very inner corner of my eyebrows, and then with the spoolie side I blend the product with my eyebrow. With the concealer and the flat shader brush, I apply the concealer to clean out the edges of my eyebrows and for giving it a better structure, and blend it with my skin. So the brows are on. Moving into our eyeshadow, I am using Nykaa blending brush and Nykaa Smoky at 8 palette. This is a very old palette, as you guys can see. I am using this peachy light shade as my transition shade, and I put my eyeshadow and tap my brush, then using it in my crease and in circular motion I blend it. By using this brown shade in the outer corner, I blend it properly and simply dragged it in inner side. Using this light shade, I apply it over my transition shade for blend it and make it smooth. Then using this black color, I just darken up the outer edge, and using some concealer, I cleaned up my inner area. For shimmer shade, if I conceal my inner corner, then the shimmer shade looks more pretty and the color payoff is good. I use my finger to put the shimmer shade from the palette. I am using this golden shade and apply it in the area where I am concealed. Then with the champagne golden color, I apply it in the very inner corner of my eyes and blend the edges for a smooth finish. By using some concealer, I clean out the edges of my eyeshadow. Then using this small brush, I apply this brown shade to my lower lash line For mascara, I am using Maybelline Hypercurrent mascara and I coat my every eyelash very goodly. With the same brown shade, I apply it on my nose for contour and blend it. We have to blend it very nicely, and I also apply the same brown shade to my jawline, cheekbone and forehead, and then blend it. Blending is the main key of makeup. I use this orangey peachy shade as my blush and I apply very little bit and blend it. Next, for highlighter, I am using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is a very good highlighter. I apply it in my bridge of nose, cupid bow, cheekbones and all of my high point. I also use it in inner corner and my brow bone. For fixing all out, I am using Kiss Beauty Makeup Fixer and dry it properly, and next move into our lips. Today I am using Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. I line my lips first and then apply the lipstick all over. And this is the final outcome, guys. This is my final look.
दैट इज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो। आई होप जो फाइनल आउटकम आया है वो आप सभी लोगों को पसंद आया होगा। आशा करूंगी आप लोग ये लुक ट्राई करेंगे, और अगर आप लोग ये लुक ट्राई करते हैं तो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम में टैग जरूर करना। आई लीव माई इंस्टाग्राम लिंक इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। और अगर ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल रहा है ना, तो लाइक दिस वीडियो, कमेंट एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो टू एवरीबॉडी, एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन, जिससे मैं जब भी कोई न्यू वीडियो डालूँ सबसे पहले आपको पता चले। तो आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो पे। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।